Bibimbap begins with the freshest seasonal ingredients harvested from Korea's fertile lands. Spinach, bean sprouts, carrots, and other vegetables are carefully selected for their vibrant colors and nutritional value. This dish reflects the Korean philosophy of sikcho, harmony between food and nature. Historically, farmers would use whatever was in season, ensuring sustainability. The ingredients are not just food, but a celebration of the earth's generosity. A tradition dating back to the Joseon era. The preparation of bibimbap is an art form. Each ingredient is meticulously cut into uniform strips, blanched and seasoned to perfection. This step ensures that every bite offers a balanced texture and flavor. The precision in cutting reflects the Korean culinary principle of gyeongsul, where craftsmanship meets aesthetics. Historically, this attention to detail was a sign of respect for the meal and those who would eat it, a tradition passed down through generations. Bibimbap is a visual feast, with each ingredient arranged by color to create a harmonious palette. Green spinach, white bean sprouts, orange carrots, and other vibrant hues are placed separately on a wooden tray. This arrangement is not just for beauty, but also represents the ohang, the 5 elements of Korean philosophy. The colors symbolize balance and health, making bibimbap a dish that nourishes both the body and the soul. Gochujang, Korea's iconic fermented chili paste, is the soul of bibimbap. Made from red chili peppers, glutinous rice, fermented soybeans, and salt, it adds a deep, spicy sweet flavor. Historically, gochujang was a staple in Korean households, fermented in earthenware pots called ongi. Its rich umami taste unites all the ingredients, symbolizing the blending of diverse elements into one cohesive dish. This paste is a testament to Korea's fermentation mastery. The assembly of bibimbap is a ritualistic process. Ingredients are layered in concentric circles over a bed of steamed rice in a brass bowl. Each layer is carefully placed to maintain the visual harmony. This method dates back to the Joseon era, where the presentation was as important as the taste. The brass bowl, or yugi, retains heat, ensuring the dish stays warm. This step transforms the ingredients into a unified masterpiece. Nurungji, the crispy scorched rice at the bottom of the bowl, is a beloved part of bibimbap. Created by cooking rice in a clay pot, dulsot, over high heat, it adds a delightful crunch. Historically, nurungji was a way to prevent food waste, as every grain of rice was valued. Today, it's a sought-after texture that contrasts with the soft ingredients above. The dulsot's heat also keeps the dish warm, enhancing the flavors. The final transformation occurs when the ingredients are mixed together with a wooden spoon. This act symbolizes unity in diversity, as the vibrant colors and flavors blend into one. Historically, mixing was a communal activity, often done at the table. The swirling motion ensures every bite is balanced, with gochujang evenly distributed. This step is where bibimbap truly comes to life, embodying the Korean spirit of harmony. The first bite of bibimbap is a sensory explosion. The soft rice, crunchy nurungji, fresh vegetables, and spicy gochujang create a symphony of textures and flavors. Historically, this dish was enjoyed by all social classes, from farmers to royalty. Each ingredient retains its identity while contributing to the whole. This balance is a hallmark of Korean cuisine, where every element has a purpose and place. Bibimbap is more than a meal. It's a shared experience. Families gather around low wooden tables, passing the dulsot and mixing the dish together. This tradition fosters connection and gratitude. Historically, communal meals were a way to strengthen bonds and celebrate harvests. The act of sharing bibimbap reflects the Korean value of jang, a deep sense of affection and community. It's a dish that brings people together. The story of bibimbap comes full circle as farmers return to the fields to plant new seeds. This cycle of planting, harvesting, and cooking reflects Korea's deep respect for nature and sustainability. Historically, every part of the process was honored, From the earth's bounty to the communal meal, bibimbap is a living tradition, a dish that continues to evolve while staying rooted in its cultural heritage. It's a celebration of life's endless renewal.